It's a pleasure to be here with Schöck at the World Architecture Festival in Amsterdam 2019. So Chris, tell us a little bit about what you do and what you're presenting here this year.
Okay, well, it's actually great to be here at the World Architectural Festival. It is the first time we've been here, but hopefully not the last. So in terms of Schöck and what we do, we've been in existence for nearly 60 years now, and I think that we're best known for providing thermal break connections for the balcony connection. It's where you need to provide to prevent cold bridging, basically, the system that we provide is basically there to actually provide that thermal break. But we're so much more than just thermal breaks at the balcony connection. We also provide thermal technology for various parts of the building envelope. That's basically what we're having to show you here. I suppose, in a nutshell, it's all about providing energy efficiency, it's reducing your energy costs, and it's providing, yes, thermal comfort. Okay, so yes, it's not just balconies. We also have thermal breaks for the parapet. We have a new product that we launched earlier this year, which is providing a thermal break at the wall connection, so where you're trying to prevent the heat flow from the bottom of your building into the basement. And the product that we actually have on offer here today and have introduced today is the same thermal break that has been known for several years, but using a system called a glass fibre rod, and that is 100% thermal bridge free, so again providing even better thermal comfort than what we have with the standard conventional system. This system is called the ISOlink system, and it effectively sits behind your rain screen cladding facade, and it acts as the connection between the cladding and the main building envelope. Now, the conventional system is to use an aluminium system to connect the two, but of course that is quite a major thermal bridging problem. So what we do is we provide our same glass fibre products that we're providing in the conventional thermal break for balconies, and because it is totally thermal bridge free, it means that you can actually reduce the amount of insulation that you put behind the cladding, which then reduces that insulation layer, which means that you've got cost savings in terms of reduction in insulation. You can also pull the internal building envelope out, giving you extra space, which is then obviously an advantage for the developer. Okay, so it's not just about the product, but it's about the whole service offering that we give. So in particular for the architect, we are moving down the BIM route. We have our drawings on the website free to download for Revit, for Tekla, for Allplan. Yes, we're investing heavily in digital solutions for the structural engineer and for the architect for the future. Okay, so this year we've been working in around about 40 markets around the world. We've sold 1.6 million ISOcorp into those markets just this year to date. And how we service them is for our core markets, we have an engineering and sales team based in those markets, and they're providing the advice and support to architects and to structural engineers in the local market. In the markets beyond our core markets, where we don't necessarily have a presence, we use our personnel and our digital network to reach out to those markets, and then we go into those markets on the job site and support the installer when it comes to install the products at the end of the day.
Fantastic, lovely to talk to you. Thank you very much.